How to upgrade your storage chests. Every scavenger knows that you can never have enough space for a loot. If your base is overflowing with gear, it's time for an upgrade. This guide will show you how to increase your base storage capacity by upgrading your basic chests into high-capacity containers. To start upgrading, you'll need a hammer equipped in your primary tool slot. Most storage upgrades require refined materials like iron, ingots, sturdy planks, or mechanical parts. You can find these by scavenging industrial zones or by dismantling lower-tier furniture around your base. Check your crafting menu under the Storage tab to see exactly what you need for the next level of chest. On PC, stand near existing chest and press the E key or right-click to open the interaction menu. If you have the required materials in your inventory, select Upgrade Storage. A clean base is happy base. Start upgrading your storage today and save that precious loot. Like and subscribe for more base building tips.